Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to get money in car parking multiplayer. So first thing first, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, then go to App Store right here and make sure that you have the latest update of the game. Just click on the update button and next go to the game. Then now you see 27,000 in my account. Just click on that and now you can buy money for the real money. So 500,000 cost $9.99, 1 million cost $17.99, 5 million cost $69.99. Also you can get all cars for $99.99. Hope you guys enjoy and thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Bye.